Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's a quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to either enable or disable autoplay video previews on the Google app on your Android based phone. So whether it's a Samsung Galaxy or Google Pixel or another Android phone. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to select the setting gear button on your mobile phone and then tap the settings. And then here now at your mobile settings, and then you need to scroll down, find and locate this Google tile and then click again. So here now at Google Services, and then you need now to select this All Services tab and then click. And then at the top, and then underneath settings for Google Apps, and then you need now to select this Search Assistant and Voice and then click. So here now at Search and Settings, and then you need to scroll down and you need to select this Other Settings and then click again. And then here at Other Settings, and then you need now to select this Autoplay Video Previews on how to turn off or disabled, and then click this settings. And then there is a pop-up notifications on your mobile screen that says Autoplay Video Previews. So we have three options here that we need to choose: either neighbor, only on Wi-Fi, and on Wi-Fi and mobile data. So it depends on your preferences, but if you want to disable, then you need to select this never. Alright, so that's it guys, and thanks for watching, and hopefully this video was helpful and guide you on Samsung device settings, and give it a thumbs up and share it with others. And if you're new to our channel, I invite you to subscribe and click the bell to not miss out on the latest for Android settings tutorials. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorials.